Greetings, welcome to the YJ Nature Life channel. Welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. From the last time I did a video like this, my subscribers are about, I mean one video was like 200 and now it's 682. Yeah, it's amazing how everything's growing. I don't really post every day like that as well, so you know, I was looking at a video now, it was 8 days ago, 8,000. You see, I get on my phone today and just check it now. I just see this NinjaMan.
It's what kind of blues him can't give nobody, boy?
NinjaMan and Alkaline.
You know, him and him hip-hop
on the Fix channel. So yes, today the video is about Alkaline interview on Onstage. So let's start. So as you can see, Alkaline has his 2 Onstage interviews in his whole time. Oh, there's another one there. So we're right into this top one 9 years ago. Let's see this now.
Welcome back. As you know, during the period leading up to Sting, there was no shortage of dancehallers ready to settle differences with others by way of lyrical clashes on that platform. These differences were by and large one-on-ones between 2 rival factions. However, there was one artist who was the common enemy of all the factions.
You have Gage and then you have Tommylee and Alkaline.
Alkaline coexist and I go clash, isn't it? Me no rate Alkaline.
Yeah, it's not NinjaMan alone don't like Alkaline. If you've seen Vice Cartel, the Fix interview, he said he have a problem with Alkaline because people say he take Vice Cartel style and don't give him no credit, but Vice Cartel said everything's okay. But this video was obviously 9 years ago with Alkaline, Gage, Tommylee, Masicka. So they saying they don't like Alkaline. I wonder why.
Who refused to be engaged in the melee. His name is Alkaline.
Me crazy, me crazy.
Who is our very special guest right now, right here on stage.
Madam Bud.
Lion.
Going on eng.
Blessed love, sir. My first question to you is why you didn't do Sting?
I had other engagements.
Oh?
Yeah, me did have a show on that day.
So you would have done it?
So you're saying Sting is not the most important show as a Jamaican artist? That don't make no sense.
If you weren't contracted?
Yeah man, Sting at show, you know. You saw me I say and the people them would want to see me. But I don't know as me we have other engagements, isn't it?
Okay, so those who were calling you coward and that you were shying away from it because of what was coming at you at Sting, you say?
Whatever. Them can't say them want to say. Remember, you know, them not have nothing, you know, them just look at hype. That's what I say. Them just try to lean on somebody career and them not going to lean on mine. That's what I say. Focus on no one thing.
So would you have taken a clash at Sting?
With myself? We make a clash.
What do you mean by that? You mean there's nobody in your class?
No, but no, I never said that, but who am I war? Who am I have like lyrical?
When you were called out by Gage?
Yeah, they might try engage me now war, but me not interested.
Okay.
I think that did so.
It's a Gage. Gage was trying to engage him in a war. You have lyrics. Same artist.
Fair enough.
If the fans them say, yo, Alka, why you take on the youth, then we'll do it. I mean, I have no choice.
If your fans them say so. So
yeah.
what were your fans saying?
Obvious. They must say don't pay them youth and mind. So I say them thing, Lily. You see me? And from them said that, me I say, okay, no problem.
So did this help or hurt your career? All of this calling up your name and so many people wanting to clash you. And this whole Sting thing. It helped you?
You call it say, I never did it, and call it say me texting.
Yes.
Alkaline.
Yes.
If me never important or if me was such a non-entity as all of them claim, why you not link up on name, sir?
Okay.
Why me? Isn't it?
Are these, do you consider these guys your enemy?
I know some of my enemy thing go. Enemy for me, I win.
Winford, so sorry.
You see me in the streets, you want to move
Should
to me.
pause every time I say something.
All of them claim why you not link up on name, so.
Okay.
Why me? You see me?
Do you consider these guys your enemy?
I know some of my enemy thing go. Enemy for me, I win. You see me in the streets, you want to move to me. And then me know for the after. That's what I say. I do some talking in a song. That's what I say.
That's a real bad man.
And I act bad. You see me? But nobody now brave up.
Are you still the youngest and the baddest?
Well, I recently turned 21 still, so probably not the youngest right now, but I don't need the title of youngest leave me. The baddest will still remain, you see me?
Yes.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man.
All right. And so you consider yourself the front runner in that little group of Gage, Tommylee.
Stop this.
Masicka.
Hey. No, man. What you doing?
No? What?
That Lily.
That Lily?
Yeah.
What that mean?
What do you mean what that mean? You're supposed to know what that mean. As a Jamaican, you're supposed to know.
You couldn't really want to put me in them category there, Winford. Come on, man.
Okay.
That's when you say a joke thing there. Ask the people, really? We shouldn't even talk about this right now. A joke thing,
Well, the
real joke.
people you ask.
A real joke, that man.
But I'm asking if you are the front runner. You're saying front runner for them isn't even good enough? You are so big that you
it's
can't
not even say so big. Me not try say means this big person. Wait. But watch out. You call some man name to me with them to dip on the scene. That's what I say. So, you see me? It's like a disrespect, you see me?
All right.
Yeah, you're laughing right now. Hey, yo, Alkaline say. He said Gage, Masicka, and Tommylee. I said Tommylee at that time. Tommylee and Alkaline were like, yeah, either the same level or Tommylee a little higher because, you know, from them days with the Gaza and thing, Tommylee get his name. Alkaline, how many years ago? It's 9 years. That's like 2025 now. It's in 2025, so say 2014, 2013. Alkaline just maybe just bust them time or a few years earlier. So Masicka was coming up at that time. I would say Alkaline had his name, Tommylee had his name. I don't know much about Gage. All I know from Gage is people say Gage and Alkaline style is kind of similar. So, well, yo, Alkaline, I don't know, bro. Is it Alkaline?
Understood. But you know that's why people think that you should take a clash.
The man just saying
you're
name is just nothing compared to him. I don't know, but yo, leave in the comments what you think at that time. Obviously, we know Masicka right now is a hot artist right now. Alkaline is still up there. Tommylee as his name. Gage, you already hear about Gage in this time right now, so you guess you know who won.
You've dissed a lot of these guys.
No man, them diss me. So me I say I'm just gonna man defend myself because right now me I focus on my career. But what the media always try to do and mix it up and twist it up. Yes, so me I say make it look like I'm the troublemaker. When everybody I call my name and all me do I just go boom. I say, yeah, stay over there, stand over there.
So they started calling your name first?
Everybody. Yes, so
every one of them?
Yeah man. After why me I pick a war? Me alright. Yes,
oh
so
really?
Yeah, I'm good. Me no need for a pick no war. What me I go do? Me I go get a hype out of that?
So when I ask like who is a Gage and these things, they
no, because me I focus on my thing, and if really and truly,
yes,
at the moment, me never know
who is a Gage.
What me for do?
So you didn't know Alkaline that there was an artist named Gage? When
you know you draw everything in and come like say a film interview. My interview this right now.
So no call a man name then?
No, I'm not on the vibes.
What name have to call? Because them call up your name a lot and we didn't mind them calling your name and you say it helped you.
Because them entertain that, but me not really on the vibes.
Okay, cool. I'm sure viewers want to know what you're drinking.
Laugh, man.
What is it?
Me I drink a drink, you know.
Yes.
Me I drink some drinks.
Yes. Explain the mass.
You know what I'm saying? The vendetta mass is like the whole vendetta movement is like a collective name for my fans them. It started out with just the name for me and my friend them. And so me I say my fans them just love it. Everybody just love the mask and the image. And so me I say I would just use the Anan mask as a symbol. That's what I say.
Vendetta.
Yeah, because
Why that word?
why? I don't know, I just like it. I just like the idea of vendetta. That's what I say, because watch it. I just make my own meaning to it. As vendetta, we believe in self. That's what I say, we do one thing and nobody can really tell we how to operate. That's what I say, we have a system of our own. That's what I mean?
On a rebellious.
Can't call it so.
What you call it?
Same thing you call it. Vendetta.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Saying?
So,
So,
yeah, can't get your master.
so now they have to mash down the system then, line.
When you say mash down the system, what do you mean?
To change what the status quo. And to do it your way and to make it yours.
I really plan for change.
Instead of being impacted by the system, you will dictate the pace. You will set
Yeah,
the tone.
we love to do that.
Yes.
It's when I say we love to do that. But everything does take time. You can't really rush a thing. It's when I say you can't just come in and just change up everything. So
Do you respect those before you in dancehall and reggae that they did something to set the platform for you?
but how much I respect who they before me.
Okay.
As I said before, there's some people that try, like them I try turn people against me and I try make it seem like that youth and anybody, or that youth are disrespectful just because I not say what them I say. It's when I say, them want me to say something, and I not say. It's when I say,
What did they want you to say?
what everybody I say.
Which is?
Read between the lines.
Okay, then. All right. I will take
Yeah,
a
the man. See, was a smile. Finally, was a smile. The man serious. Oh, Winford said, what is everybody saying? There's a read between the lines. You don't want to say nothing. Because Alkaline is not an informer. That's what you have to know. He's not an informer.
We'll take a little doing here.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You get it, man.
Yeah. But who are some of the icons you give props to? Me see a prop up Gully the other day. Who else?
Yeah, prop up who?
Gully.
Oh. Yeah, man.
Not Gully Bob.
Okay.
The original Gully.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Okay. So
Well,
what
I'm a
about Gully
friend,
Bob?
man.
What's your view on Gully Bob?
Then I say, who passed that I say me a pop up? Father, I'm a friend. Acting, I'm a friend.
Yeah.
You see me?
So you not give Bob a little prop? Everybody I give Bob a prop. You can't give Bob.
It's about Gully. It's the original Gully, not Gully Bop. And then, yo, why for the man? You don't want to say nothing about Gully Bop? Well, let's
Prop. Come on.
Hey, artist.
Prop.
Hey, artist.
Bop. Even Bob. Jesus, Lord Alkaline, man. Everybody doesn't give Bob a prop right now. He's not an enemy yet. Not even Ninja is his enemy.
I mean, I'm still, but we not really, this nobody still, and we don't really, you see me?
Yeah.
Not really watch nobody thing, you see me?
All right, talk about an in-flight incident with Tommylee.
Oh, yeah.
What incident?
An incident where you were
People
sitting
might laugh at
in the
joking.
same row in an airplane on a flight recently.
Yeah.
And he was sitting at the aisle seat and you were sitting at the window.
Yeah.
And you wouldn't ask him to excuse you to take a pic with a fan or to even use the restroom because you were afraid that
No,
he wouldn't allow you. He
Watch
said.
a stinger forward up.
Eh?
Stinger forward up, you might try to be like a hype thing. That's what I say, but watch ya.
It didn't happen?
Me might then not playing on stage, so January. BBC a link me for a feature.
Yes.
Me have like 15 reading in my email for done by Thursday. That's what I say, or I'm supposed to go Fort Lauderdale Friday. And all of them things, I need to shoot a video next week. That's what I say, so them things are there on my brain. I don't make say, all if they write it, so.
Yes.
That's what I say, in your brain now, you go like I say, January. I see them beside the Alkaline in real life. Yo, every day, hold my phone. Take a picture, Instagram, turn up. That's what I say.
That's
Some
what
I show you say some man just pray like some little kids. That's what I say. Them brain in a matches box. That's what I say. Me not made the bridging. You see me? Because if you really check the statistics of the ratio, them are rugrat to win in every category. That's what I say. What make you think myself going? Joke.
So you didn't feel a little bit of discomfort during that flight with him sitting at the end of the seat?
I'm not even too.
You must have been a little bit uncomfortable with it. Come
No
on.
man, nothing at all man, no man. No man, we don't even have 2 meds that. You know what I say?
Okay.
Straight up.
Well, you know what is, I mean, you're still, in a sense, you're dismissing them and thing. But what I like about it, about your response right now, is that you're not sounding like a warmonger in terms of clashing and confrontation and violence.
That is interesting, you know.
Where are you with that?
No, them thing that interesting, you know.
What?
Yes, like clash and them thing there. Them thing are necessary in a music, you know.
Yeah.
But at the right time. So I say,
So you're not saying that you won't ever clash?
No, but I can't in a joke clash. Me and you don't really have nothing, and me I go want to warrior.
So how will you control the inevitable violence and disorder that is so much a part of clashing?
Me have to just play my part and just know say a lyrics me I deal with. You so I say, if you act, then me not have no choice than for the react. You so I say, but we not really push no fire.
Okay.
You so I say.
Something
Capleton, that's why.
Yeah.
is a huge reference when they talk about you. That it was a hit and miss for you. You missed the opportunity to ascend to the next level for Sumfest because everything was there for you to take Sumfest, but you failed. Do you consider yourself failed at Sumfest?
No, I wouldn't say I failed, but if so much people I say, oh, boy, you never really go on like what I expect then. Even though I not agree,
yes,
me I gotta say, okay, I just me for just come ready myself. You saw me I say? Yeah, but I don't know. I think I do my best. Remember say, I just jump out, teenager, bag of pressure upon me.
Exactly.
You saw me I say?
Okay.
But I still think I deal with it. Going in. You saw me I say? I don't know if them do want me to take off my shirt or something. You saw me I say? But I think I do my best.
How did you feel the day after?
When I feel the day after? I feel alright. I'm supposed to feel.
Come on, Al, come on. You must have felt a little bit of
No, because
disappointment
I'm not. Well, I know.
and thing.
Alright.
Eh.
You don't know. You expect the thing for go a certain way and it never go. Oh, you expect it.
Say?
What me I gotta do? Kill myself?
No.
I just one of
I
them
don't
things. I
expect
never
that.
say that. I saw you going to music.
I expect you to recover,
That's the thing.
but it's
That's
a
a
matter
show
of
you.
when you recovered.
That's sure. If you're a true artist, you saw me I say, if you're gonna make them think they broke your vibes and you saw me I say,
So, but your vibes was broken for a little bit. Must have.
no.
No?
Remember, you know.
So Winford, why is he asking so many personal questions like this? He just wants Alkaline to show some emotion. Maybe he's not that type of person, so I don't know.
Can't see right, so my friend them enough. You saw me I say? And the people them around me.
Them prop you up. Your friend them prop
Yeah,
you up.
them
don't you?
encourage me and them little thing there.
Why?
So my vibes never yet
Right now,
broke. You know?
England is cold. If you see outside, snow. Ice. Boy, I in Jamaica complaining. Go on, love your sunshine and your river and your beach. And don't bother complain because if you come to England, you freeze. Jaja.
Okay.
I'm a fan them loyal.
Say it.
Yeah man, a real thing.
So you were not discouraged at all by it?
No, I just some artists I try like overdo the thing. So I'm saying I make the thing seem bigger than what it is because I just probably even the expectation or how I set my thing. So I say some of them really go up on it and I'm not going on, but nobody not talk about it. So I say because people never really. You know what I say?
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, sum up your year 2014 for us. In your own way, how would you call your year?
Probably a roller coaster. That's what I say. A bag of things going. Right now, I'm gonna look different from the first time when you see me. I'm gonna look different here.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
You look bleached.
Nah, man.
Confirm.
Winford, it's even cartel. Go on the show. Winford, you just want people to admit that they bleached. Alkaline said, oh, I don't look different. Winford, yes, you look bleached. Re-up, pull up.
Your year.
Probably a roller coaster. That's what I say. A bag of things going. Right now,
take picture.
I'm gonna look different from the first time when you see me. I'm gonna look different here.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
You look
Yeah,
bleached.
Nah, man.
Confirm or not for me.
Bleach,
Clear up that.
Yes.
You're not bleached.
clear. You know, easy, you know, big things are going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never did admit that already. Yeah.
You admit to your bleach, okay?
Yeah.
Anyway, let's talk
admit
more
it.
now about things that you're probably more comfortable about talking.
Yeah,
Let's
man,
go back
come
to your
more time.
achievement in
Embaga,
2014.
call
I know
me, man, I mean,
you made your debut appearance in the US recently.
Wow.
Speak about that for us.
I'm a Zura.
Yes.
You happy for the brown youth? Yeah, man, I'm if you tell you, ram to capacity.
Okay.
So me I say, and
Sold out.
wow, bag of people have it, thousands of people have to get sent home. Them all spray one thing where when I show them call it probably me as an them like a thing that so a thing it did crazy.
Okay.
Yeah, so the people them.
So who were in the audience? Jamaicans living overseas, mainstream Americans?
A mixture. The crowd is so big, I couldn't make it out.
What?
The crowd is big, I couldn't make it out.
Major.
If I did like 20 people at the club now, then I could have tell you.
Yes.
I
And
could
how
have
was
set up a 2 goal and play football in there.
Okay.
You see me?
So you were very, very, very comfortable and happy about that. Was that the only appearance in the US for you?
No. I went to DC and
Same reception? Sold out?
yeah man.
Everyone?
Ram up. Yeah man. But not my first time, you know.
Same.
So everybody there go happy to see me. Yeah. So it did good.
Okay, great. What about recordings? What's happening with that?
Right now, I have a lot of songs out right now and a lot of songs to be released. Yeah, I record hard you know because 2015 right now is year of hits. That's what I say. When you're doing chatting, I just song.
You know, no chatting and hopefully no feuding. Feuding have to go on. You know, say like your boy will like the feud business.
Oh, kind of like
the feuding.
We kind of like it still, you know. But I don't know, yeah, man. we want some new artists, boss.
Yes.
Right now, some new artists are boss.
Them man they were call up in name, a relatively new artist them there. Them man they are new artists, Bridget. Give them a chance to go. Well, them probably have go to, so who knows?
Yeah, man.
All right.
New artists them for boss, man.
So what are you going to do with the local scene this year? Or what you plan for Jamaica? What are you going to do?
No, they must see me more for this year. Like more video and them thing there. Yeah.
Said. All right, sir. Well, I don't know if there's anything else that you want to tell us.
No, like
ask you.
no man, a whole heap of things, man. I have enough song out right now, you know. Bag of things on the happy hour rhythm that are going good. Shut up, I got things at those and shh. Them say you do some of the worstest things. Them say what you not take out, what you don't see. Bad man no kill the classes. You have Ride on Me, which is a new single. I'm gonna do that for Frost. How it feel I go and go to same Frost. Make the money. That I would Yellow Moon Records and my new label. Young and famous. Because I don't know me I venture in them thing there. So pretty soon you would have seen me forward on the program and bring 2 artists.
Oh, that's
yeah man.
nice.
Because I don't know who want spread the wings, who want expand. That's what I say? Can't stay one level too long. Joke. Make a thing look Lily.
Lily.
Yeah man.
Lily,
new style
what Lily mean? And did you chat that? Your chat?
Style,
you
yeah.
created this one?
Yo.
Or you borrow it?
No, I will link them, create the style, you know. Because you know as myself, we have a heap of friends.
So Lily mean what exactly?
I think water down. That's what I say.
What I want you to do for me, you're not performing, but I want you to select some videos in here, 3 of them or 4 of them, that you would like us to play for you to say to these people, this is my music.
Yeah.
Like it or not. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you to do that. So that will be coming up in our Onstage Extra. But for right now, this is where we leave the Onstage regular. Winford Wiliams, on behalf of all. Thank you for joining us.
I'm just showing these people because right now I'm in the car freezing. I call them. I take a picture outside. Hey, I'm mad. In the snow. Let me see if you can see the snow. Look at this. Yeah. Outside snow, man. Stuff alright. The view nice here though. The view very nice. If you know this place, you know this place. I'm not gonna tell you where I am, but if you know the place, you know the place. I am man. Freezing right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Look out for the next one very soon. Give thanks.